This Bestauto G2-G22 Drive Clutch offers reliable replacement for many Yamaha four-cycle golf carts from the mid-1980s onward, making it a practical upgrade for aging drivetrains. The clutch housing is built from solid aluminum with good resistance to wear and heat, so it stands up well to repeated starts, hills, and long rounds on the course. Its design helps smooth out engine engagement and cut down on shuddering, which can make an older cart feel noticeably more responsive and easier to control. The unit arrives as a mostly complete assembly with the needed hardware, so you are not chasing extra pieces or improvising during installation. Owners with basic mechanical skills can usually bolt this clutch on with ordinary hand tools, avoiding a trip to the shop for many routine replacements. Overall, it delivers dependable performance and durability at a level that suits regular golf course use and light utility work without feeling overbuilt or finicky.